Good morning everyone. So we will continue the class, that is exercise 15.1. In this exercise 15.1 already we have completed till 5th bit. So I am starting 6th bit now. Sixth bit, write any 5 numbers which are divisible by 2, 5 and 10. So we have to write the numbers which are divisible by 2, 5 and 10. So which numbers are divisible by 2, 5 and 10 here? The numbers which are divisible by 2, 5 and 10 are, so we can take here 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. So these numbers are divisible by 2, 5 and 10. Okay. So next is 7th bit. What is 7th bit? A number 3, 4a is exactly divisible by 2 and leaves a remainder 1 when it is divided by 5. So we have to find the value of a. So what they told, a number 3, 4a is exactly divisible by 2. So this number, given number is what? 3, 4a. So this number is exactly divisible by 2, it says. Exactly divisible by 2. So which numbers are divisible by 2? Since 3, 4a is divisible by 2, the last digit should be last digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So here a value can be 0 or a value can be 2 or a value can be 4 or a value can be 6 or a value will be 8. Next condition what they have given, leaves a remainder 1 when divided by 5. The number, if you divide this number with 5, it will leaves a remainder 1 it seems. So we have to find the a value. So I am taking the first case. So in place of a I am substituting 0 now. That is 340. So if I divide this 340 with 5, it should leaves a remainder as 1. So 340 divided by 5. So it will leaves a remainder as 0. It will leaves a remainder as 0. Now in case 2. So what is the case 2? So what is case 2? Now in place of a I am substituting here 2. So that will be 342. So if I divide this 342 with 5, what will be the remainder? We will see, we will divide and see here. 5 6 are 30. I am bringing this 2 down. 5 8 are 40. So remainder you got it as 2. So this is not a value. Okay, here a value is not equals to 0 and a value is not equals to 2 also. Okay, now which number I have to substitute now? I have to substitute a value as, I am substituting case number 3. I am substituting a value as now 4. That will be 344. And if I divide this 344 with 5, what remainder you will get? That will be again 4 only. The remainder will be 4. You can divide and see here. 5 6 are 30. 5 8s are 40. You got the remainder as 4. Okay, you got the remainder as 4. But in question they told that it leaves the remainder as 1. So this is a value is not equals to 4 also. Now case number 4. So what I am taking the a value as 6 now. Three 46. A value is 6 I am taking now. In place of a I am taking it as 6. Whether it is divisible or not we will see. So here 346 is divided by 5. What remainder it will leave we will see. So 346 divided by 5. 5 6 are 30. 6 down, 5 9s are 45. You got the remainder as 1. So they already told that it leaves a remainder when it is divided by 5. So what is the a value now? A value will be equals to 6 here. So therefore, what is the number? Therefore, the number is 346. Okay. Now next exercise. I am starting 15.3. I'm starting 15.3. So what is the first bit? Check whether the given numbers are divisible by 6 or not. They have given set of numbers. They are divisible by 6 or not. We have to check. So in this first bit, they are asking about divisibility rule of 6. So what is divisibility rule of 6? So it should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Then only it will be divisible by 6. So what is the first number? 2 7 3 4 3 2. So whether it is divisible by 2 and 3 we will see. First divisibility rule of 2. So what is divisibility rule of 2? The last number should be even number. So 2 is an even number. So yes, 2 7 3 4 3 2 is divisible by 2 because last digit is an even number. Now we will check for 3. So what is divisibility rule of 3? Sum of all digits. We have to add all the digits. 2 plus 7 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. So if you add this, how much you will get? 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. 18 plus 3 will be 21. So you got it as 21. 21 is a multiple of 3. So it will be divisible. So 21 is divisible by 3. So therefore 2 7 3 4 3 2 is also divisible by 3. So here 2 is also satisfied, 3 is also satisfied. Therefore 6 will also be satisfied. So therefore 2, 7, 3, 4, 3, 2 is divisible by 6. Okay, so this is our first bit. Now next one is so what is the next equation? 1, 0, 0, 5, 3, 3. So we have to check for 2, 3 and 6. So first divisibility rule of 2. So what is divisibility rule of 2? Last digit should be even number. But here 3 is a odd number. So no 1, 0, 0, 5, 3, 3 is not divisible by 2 because last digit is not an even number. So this is divisibility rule of 2. Now next is divisibility rule of 3. So what is divisibility rule of 3? We have to add all the numbers. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3. So how much it will be? 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. So you got it as 12. 12 is a multiple of 3. So 12 is divisible by 3. So therefore is also divisible by 3. So whether it is divisible by 6 or not? No, because 2 is not divisible, 3 is divisible. For divisibility rule of 6, both should be satisfied, but only one condition is satisfying here. So therefore 1, 0, 0, 5, 3, 3 is not divisible by 6. So this is our second one. Next is third question. So what is third question? 780, 784, 76. So whether this number is divisible by 2, 3 and 6 we will check. First is divisibility rule of 2. So what is divisibility rule of 2? Last digit should be an even number. 6 is an even number, so it is divisible. So yes. Is divisible by 2 because last digit is an even number. So next is divisibility rule of 3. So we have to add all the numbers, all the digits. 7 plus 8 plus 4 plus 7. So how much we will get here? 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 7. 24. 24 plus 8 is 32. So 32 is not a multiple of 3. So 32 is not divisible by 3. So therefore 784076 is not divisible by 3. So here 2 is divisible but 3 is not divisible. So it will not be divisible with 6. Okay. Now last one in this bit. So what is the last one? That is 24684. So we have to check for 2, 3 and 6. So first rule of 2. So what is the last digit here? 4. 4 is an even number, so it will be divisible by 2. So yes, 24684 is divisible by 2 because last digit is an even number. Now next is divisibility rule of 3. So we have to add all the digits. That is 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4. How much it will be? 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 2 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. So 24 is a multiple of 3. So it is divisible. 24 is divisible by 3. So therefore 24684 is also divisible by 3. So in this case 2 is also divisible, 3 is also divisible, so 6 will also be divisible. So therefore 24684, that is 24,684, is also divisible by 6. So this is our first bit. Next is we have to check for 4. Next bit. What is the second bit? Check whether the given numbers are divisible by 4 or not. So we have to check for 4. It is divisible by 4 or not. We have to check. What is divisibility rule of 4? Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. So we have to check last 2 digits. If it is divisible by 4, then whole number will also be divisible. First you write the divisibility rule here. So what is divisibility rule of 4? Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4 or zeros. Okay, so first bit in this, what is A bit? 3024, that is 3024. So whether it is divisible by 4 or not, we have to check. So what is the divisibility rule? Last through 2 numbers we have to check. 24. 24 is divisible by 4. Yes, 24 is divisible by 4. How many times you can take? 4 6 are 24. So 24 is divisible by 4. So therefore 3024 is also divisible by 4. Next B bit. So what is B bit? 1000. Last zeros. Zeros are divisible by 4. Yes, 4 0 will be zeros. So 0 0 is divisible by 4. So therefore 1000 is also divisible by 4. Okay, next C bit. So what is C bit? 412. 12 is divisible by 4. Yes, so 4 3s are 12. So 12 is divisible by 4. So therefore 412 is also divisible by 4. Next, last number, last question in this bit, that is 56,240. So what are the last two digits here? 40. 40 is divisible by 4? Yes. So 40 is divisible by 4. So therefore 56,240 is also divisible by 4. So this is our second bit. So remaining bits, that is check whether the given numbers are divisible by 8 or not, and remaining questions we will continue tomorrow. Thank you.